This is my papaya tree. Taking ages for it to ripe, but that's pretty much a good sized papaya. Just waiting for it to go yellow, then it'll be ready to eat. Hello, welcome back to my channel, Alternative Living with Kong. I've been trying for a couple of weeks now, trying to catch fish with no success. I don't know what it is, maybe it's a change of season. I've done some research, look at other YouTubers doing my type of fishing, and I think I've got it worked out. So hopefully today I'll get some footage, I'll get a fish, put it on fire, have it for dinner. I have brought a range of lures, being frog lures, fish lures, spinners, spoons. That's what I'm going to be choosing. With these lures, what I find is I'm just getting one type of fish, and that's called a snakehead fish. I did order some flies on the internet, should be here in a couple of weeks because it's from overseas, and I'm going to try to fly fish for a different species of fish. But while I'm waiting for my flies to arrive, I'll crack on with all these. One thing I discovered is that fish can see you. I'm going to stand further back away from the water so it's not so recognizable that someone's standing right there. And so I'm all camouflaged up and everything. This is the first rig, the first jig that I'm going to do. The first lure. We'll see how it goes. Just going to move over to the spoon jig now. It's not very heavy, so it won't go as far. What I've got going now is a green frog. I don't know why they put so much effort into designing it when all the fish see is that at the top. So that's all they see. They don't see that part. These frogs are good for when you're fishing in a rice field and it won't get stuck. It can go over grass and scrubs because it just floats on the water, and there's no hook that's exposed to catch on to things. Oh, that's a big fish. That is a big fish. Now what the hell is that? There's a good photo of there, a good video. They're quite a good size too. They're very big. All the way over there. Move on to another one. Move on to that. Unfortunately, I'm getting absolutely no takers. Sometimes you can be fishing and then you'll see something coming up to the lure, but today is absolutely nothing. So I'm just going to call it quits. Not very exciting, but that's the way fishing goes.